Hello, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand teaching. And hello, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand teaching. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today's short is all about the NCERT question. Let us continue. Yesterday's short you already seen. So today's short is about the chapter number 3, metals and non-metal NCERT exercises. Question number 7. Name two metals which will displace hydrogen from dilute acid and two metals from which will not. The question is asking, name the two metals which will displace hydrogen. Name the two metals which will displace hydrogen from dilute acid, and the two metals which will not displace hydrogen from the dilute acid. Metals that more reactive than hydrogen displace it from dilute acid. You already read that displacement reactivity series. The metals which is more reactive can displace a less reactive metal. So metals that more reactive than hydrogen displace it from dilute acid. For example, zinc and iron. These metals are less reactive than hydrogen, that are below in the activity series do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. For example, copper and sulfur. So zinc and iron are the metals which displaces hydrogen from dilute acid, and these metals are those metals are less reactive than hydrogen. So these metals are less reactive than hydrogen, that are below in the activity series do not displace hydrogen from the dilute acid. That are below from the activity series do not below in the activity series do not displace hydrogen from dilute acid. That is the copper and silver. So the metal which displaces hydrogen from the dilute acid are zinc and iron, and these metals are reactive than hydrogen, that are below in the activity series do not displace from dilute acid are copper and silver. They do not displace hydrogen because they are less reactive than hydrogen, or more reactive than hydrogen are zinc and iron. So the two metals which displaces hydrogen from dilute acid are zinc and iron, and two metals which do not displace hydrogen from dilute acid are copper and silver. This is the question number 7. Let's come to the question number 8. In the electrolytic refining of a metal M, what would you take as the anode and cathode, and